the clinical biomarker program, which we've started in 2007, is now yielding exciting results when it comes to the early detection of diseases. And I do think that these results will show that metabolomics as a technology has a very important place, bringing pharmaceutical, nutrition, and diagnostic R&D to success.
So what is biomarker? Biomarker is the marker which indicates a certain change, alteration provided by a drug or a disease which can be easily measured. And we do this by approaching the human metabolome. And in that way we can very easily access early disease diagnosis, drug interaction and nutritional impact. We have a dedicated team for that with a group of more than 10 PhDs, very experienced in doing biochemical data interpretation, and they combine actually the medical information we got, and that can be really information like gender, BMI, age, but as well the analytical chemistry compounds which we have identified in our own laboratory, and all that together is then combined in an algorithm which can then predict a certain disease.
Well, we have projects basically with all of the top 10 pharmaceutical companies, but we also have sometimes very exciting projects with smaller, very innovative biotech companies.
We do not stop by just finding something, but we translate this into assays which can then be used in clinical routine, in daily practice, and simplify as well the tools how to analyze biomarkers. We look broad. However, then we translate it into a simple information which can then easily be assessed. And from my point of view, I would see this in early diagnosis and very early on see whether there's a benefit of a certain drug therapy or whether a patient is not responding. And with that knowledge, then we can very easily get the information by a simple test.
We've seen exciting results in the clinical space where we've been able to develop new clinical biomarkers for the early detection of various diseases, heart failure, pancreatic cancer. So the technology works, which makes us comfortable to see that in the future metabolomics will be recognized as one of the standard technologies in healthcare R&D.